So the sauce is finished. It was on the stove here on the heat for half an hour. Put in some more spices, so it's now fine. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Steff's spaghetti bolognese with bolognese sauce. I chopped up some paprikas. I don't know if this is the correct English word. 3 big paprikas, like this one. It's a sweet pepper, let me say that. 4 onions, 4 small onions, and 3 big paprikas. I'm gonna boil some water now, starting to make the spaghetti. So yeah, I got the onions and the paprika chopped up. These are some other ingredients that I'm gonna use. Of course, spaghetti that I have the meatloaf. How do you say that in English? Meatloaf, eh? No, minced beef. Yeah, this is the minced beef from beef, and there's a combination of beef and pork. So I use this. This is about 500 grams, and this is about 300 grams. Tomato cubes. I also used sun-dried tomatoes, as you can see here. They give it an extra push. More tomato cubes with garlic and onion. Of course also herbs, but I will show you that later. Okay. Yeah, this is my 26-year-old microwave. New funk. It still works. Unbelievable. So yeah, spaghetti is boiling now for 9 minutes. Then I take it out and I put my sauce in this kettle. Yeah, the minced beef. It's cooking already here. Put some herbs on. Later I will cook the rest of the minced beef. These are the herbs I'm using. White pepper, chili powder, thyme, don't know the English word, laurier leaves. We'll put it up here in the link. I also use some Thai curry paste. This is yellow. Normally I use a red one, but it tastes almost the same, you know. I just leave it here, big chunks. Big chunks are tasty. I don't add it all together, you know. Let's cook the rest of the beef here. This is the first cooked beef. Voila. Just let it down. I let it cook for a few minutes and then I turn it over. Put on the herbs and everything. So okay, I'm frying now the onions, the paprikas and the sun-dried tomatoes, also in a pan, and then later I put it here with the minced beef. Still a lot of, I still have one to go here. I couldn't fit it all in one pan, so we have to do it in 2 steps. Is it smelling good already? Smelling good. And those sun-dried tomatoes, as you can see here, I chopped them up a little bit. They give that extra touch to the bolognese sauce. It's a very simple bolognese sauce, not much to work. You can also put in some carrots, mushrooms, whatever you like. Celery is also good. So as you can see here, spaghetti is already cooked. I'll leave it hot here under this lid. And then I have to bake the rest of this. Aromas are coming free. You have to cook it for a good time. Just before the onions going to get caramelized, you know. I think we are almost good here. You have to remember it will cook later in the sauce also further. Okay. I put the tomato sauce and everything what I showed you before here with the minced beef. Like I said, yeah, you can add also baked mushrooms, champignons inside, celery, carrots, whatever you want. Maybe some port wine is also nice inside it, or red wine, gives it an extra touch. I put in the basil leaves here. Let them cook for a while. Make sure you take them out later. They are not so tasty if you eat them raw. Of course you can add cheese also later on side of the spaghetti. But this sauce is so rich, it doesn't really need cheese on top. But you can do it, of course. Some Emmentaler or Gruyere cheese or something, no problem. I put in also some spaghetti species, Gewürze, specerijen, spaghetti, yeah, flavors of course. But you have to taste, you have to taste a few times what else you can add on. So okay, we are now 15 minutes. And leave it here on the stove for half an hour, as I said. But you have to taste. So let's have a taste if I have to add some spices or something. Maybe some water. Sauce is a little bit thick. Yeah. It's good already. So the sauce is finished. It was on the stove here on the heat for half an hour. Put in some more spices, so it's now fine. Yeah, gonna put it over my spaghetti here. Look at this. A good rich sauce. Maybe a little bit more, why not? Oh yeah. Enjoy your spaghetti. You can try it out also. You can add some cheese. I would add some red wine inside it. Maybe half a glass, 3/4 of a glass. Yeah, why not a full glass? And I used fresh minced beef, so I can freeze it in the refrigerator, in the freezer of course. So this is, yeah, like 4 or 5 portions of spaghetti bolognese, maybe 6 portions. Yeah. It's gonna taste good. So yeah, it was very good. I prepared 2 plates already. I can eat 1 plate tomorrow again. I put this in the refrigerator, and then I use these boxes, plastic Tupperware boxes, whatever you can call them, and I put them in a freezer so I can eat them later. Yeah, still plenty of sauce left here, as you can see. Normally I chop also some garlic, but I was too lazy and I forget to buy the garlic, so I used some garlic powder here. But of course it's not the same taste as you fry the garlic with the onions together. That gives a better taste, of course. And also, yeah, maybe it could use a little bit of Emmentaler cheese, some cheese on top. I forget to buy it also, but it was okay. It was still very good. Yeah, very rich sauce. Maybe put in some red wine or some port wine or something. It would be even better.